Flange Wizard. Welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the USA. We're going to talk about the popular magnetic centering heads. The high quality professional magnetic centering heads are machined from single piece aluminum and anodized for lasting protection. The ever popular traditional magnetic centering heads come in three sizes. The small for 1-inch pipe and larger. The medium for 6-inch pipe and larger. And the large for 12-inch pipe and larger. The angle finder dial is laser engraved for high visibility. It's marked in 2.5 degree increments and has spring tension for very smooth operation. The vials are completely replaceable. If you accidentally break it in the field, you can easily repair it in the field. The improvement to the new hardened pin, we put a safety cap on top so it gives you more surface area for striking. The magnetic legs are incredibly strong and it'll allow you to stick along the circumference of the pipe that you need to work on. Flange Wizard centering heads have been one of their top sellers for many, many years.